I've been fascinated with European scythes. Been watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos about scything. One particular fellow in Sweden is incredibly informative, lots of instruction, and there's a ton more out there, I'm sure. My parents' house has a hillside that would need to be mowed, and I just can't bring myself to want to do that with a weed eater. I really want to do it with this. I just get the impression that it would be very, very pleasant and very peaceful way of taking care of that tall grass. So I ordered this from Scythe Supply up north, and it just came in. Plugged in all my measurements. They are made to fit your shape and your height, your arm length, everything about it is made to fit you. I always find it fascinating when you get a package that is using actual newspaper from a location where it comes from. This is from December 2024, local periodical called the Quoddy Times. Some of the headlines: the loon count reports increased population for 2024. Very cool. It says open with care, sharp edge. Specifically ordered a tops. It's made in Austria. Oh yeah. Not razor sharp yet. It's going to be once I peen it and hone it. Handmade. You can see the strike marks when they shaped it. Once I get the hang of it, I will get a longer one. Oh, part of the kit is this book by David Tressmer. It's called the Scythe book. Mowing hay, cutting weeds, and harvesting small grains with hand tools. This says, use me, your peening jig will thank you. And on the back it says it's called a thingamajig. You use it to set the peening jig and anvils. It's driven into the log. And then you use these caps to shape the blade. You've got one with a single ring. I believe you start with that one. And then you would use this with the 2 rings to draw the metal out and lengthen it so that it becomes very, very thin, very, very easy to sharpen and hold an edge. My Scythe, steam bent, made of ash, I believe. And it's definitely got some weight to it. My instruction packet. Oh, sweet. And here are my upper and lower handles. That fits in there. This holds water and my whetstone. There is my whetstone from Austria, and you keep it in there. That is what holds it onto the blade. This allows me to set the angle. I'm just going to set it dead center right now. One of the things that you need to do is glue these handles in place. So I basically put them in place. I stood out in the driveway and basically got them essentially where I felt like was a good position. It felt comfortable doing the sweep, and made some marks using a pencil according to their instructions. You can line those pencil marks up, and then same thing here and on the bottom side of the lower handle as well. I'm going to be using Tite Bond wood glue